and Fanfa Black Stars games me no idea name of course. Ghana Premier League and in semi bra for Ghana football on yin komo abo aye show no so hat otiminka good morning good morning now how to say
Richard Omipionka, good morning, Yanku Pada Roma. Now, Michia Asantimai, Michia Kumasi. Kumasi for you, Michia Bushman for the champs.
The champs for Ejo, so you did send can so boko.
Yanku Pada Roma, Yanwaya.
Yeah, love on some 94.7 in Shawazo 4.5 FM. Any Henry Asante Tum, Edna ABD, Aye, and Como. And Arian Shasser from the Black Stars of Ghana. And about Tobontin say Coach Otuado after Emrantie a 23 and Yamiadma games are a dear in the World Cup qualifiers against Chad and Madagascar no Omunso Ebabo Ediama Ayo Mine Ghana. First of all, preparation any and Yema Air Cossain towards SR 2 games, you know.
Richard, the Tianese Sawokobo matches be say, and never be now, behind the scenes, but until the players never back, among four who say, training. Now, you be home physically on the pitch, you know. Nipano, I appreciate the things that go on behind the scenes. The way AFCON qualifiers are, young to me, unqualified. The decision the executive council took on itself. I was said, "You come ranting in our and from the president to the vice president, the head coach, and until recently, vice chairman of the Black Stars Management Committee, Stephen Appiah. Within the last 3 months, they have been visiting our players. Shabi and Srashena, and Komodie, was here who Omadjin, was here who they how more, and no better didn't come up. A Jawfi na and Kodani near, I was say, Utuana more and Behama and Kodana anybody. And one of those foremost decisions was also to visit the in-depth players. And they have also visited, the vice president visited Daniel Kofichre, Majid Wari, and others. Then you know, preparation, then fast forward, and then 2 games, there was a chance here, the coaches have been here for the past 2 weeks. When the shape had come by, I think 3 days later, or to buy, and they have met the management committee, presented their reports to them. Part of it was also to inform the management committee on the visitation, which was approved by the committee. One of them, they are 3 days ago, who said head coach called Gamanche, Nenaseno. And they are winning the squad number out. And of course, putting the squad together comes with a lot of constraints because I was able to check you on all your available players. You also have to speak to their clubs. We try now Obi Kopra in the course of the 2 week period now. I was able to replace and in this that journey here, even that coaches and then everything also. But eventually we've been able to put a squad together and preparation for those 2 games will start on Monday.
Oh, okay. Now, yeah, squad in was of course, me tisana bobo players be a near say. Omuna no pra omuntimi enjoy a team no. But one particular player from the media space yati with explanation and they say pra aye Tariq Lamta Osina Kain Adema aye Brighton. Now with names bia who be our social media it looks like Brighton game on Bobona Brighton is ready to play, but the MCT and it's our Brighton a branch. Community saying Brighton didn't wamba.
Thursday Anopa, I was with the head coach, main head coach, and director of national team, any deputy general secretary, Alex Santos. We were in a meeting when Brighton called. He said, Tariq, at President Uncle, during training. And he said, from Brano, SCL, we had the right to request for the medical assessment or report or status of the player. And, Dr. Pambo Bemu, we liaised with their medical team. They sent the scan confirming the injury. And, as at Thursday, he was in the squad until club informed me and said, "What twisted an ankle in training." And once there was a follow-up report to confirm, we had to leave him out.
Oh, okay. There's a Metiasia before Mobe release the squad, no. Now Brighton did room, but later, and on Tariq in the team Brighton, extra the man was Brighton or twisting an ankle.
They informed us via call.
Okay,
and
okay.
Followed up with email to confirm.
Now, a buy nature so a prayer.
That is what they told us. And that is the confirmation we received.
Okay.
Harry. Ireland a follow up to Tariq issue. No? Does it mean say City and Brighton and Hove Albion game on Babon and net 3 p.m. no? So Henry Asante Chum, who said Tariq Bobia, will you be surprised after seeing the scan on Thursday?
Of course, say a word of mouth are different, but once a report confirming say we're prano accompanied as a more I will be surprised, but it will be up to the FA to handle the matter with the club.
Okay. Now, young Kobe be a bubble game like Casacra Sports Stadium. Honson Sam to say out of the game.
Hot 2 times in the course of this week. Richard over here has since your boss Sudan and in Nigeria, you see a Cambia or a transport stadium, and there hasn't been any event at the stadium. Like I said, in the course of the renovation last year, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf added to get Onyayanka. Yebeye ono solely for national team games. And I think that the replacements should take you over now. What here na Supremo or more reserve or over here in recent times you are more league and since final is looking good. I think they are still working on the presidential area portions of the washrooms and the changing rooms, and there was also the issue of Dave's room, and I know they are working on it. Personally, I've been to the media center. We are trying to sort out a few sound issues here and there. Genuinely, I think that it's in a good condition.
Okay, there's our ground sponsor is ready.
Yes, I can say that.
Okay.
Mr. Hart, we answer the movie away from the Blasters, Man, who said in preparation for this game, communication strategy, was to release videos, players, air court for support. Any of the just say indeed, the handless, in him say the young qualifier AFCON, a big disappointment to supporters in any other. Now, on this platform, for a typical Ghanaian, why are disappointed in the Blasters or finding it difficult at the end new? Any reason for Onya to support the Blasters on Friday and even come to the stadium? No, Mr. Hart, what will you tell such a supporter?
In June last year, a ball Central African Republic really come say. Normally, a bubble we are a coincide, a dressing room. In the name is you are born, and time, but later when I came back, But the coach, post match. They are who were parking, so I was saying, go me. I don't dream me. There was a gun of war, a better ball, no. A bowler, the main playing field. I be kuta placards. A be a tournament, omotion. At the moment, USA, USA, USA. Now, it is a fact. Obeying to me and running away from Sam. The team was appalling in the AFCON qualifiers. One of the poorest performances we have seen in recent years. But that is gone. To me, and it's not a situation, but rather to focus on tomorrow, which is the future. We have an opportunity to qualify for the World Cup. Yeah, the team cannot do it alone. We owe it a social responsibility to make Ghanaians happy, which is why a man, and the leadership of the FA thinks we must reach out to Ghanaians and cut their support. Meaning, Omarish the more I watch him, a sweat shine, a coffin. But that be very football we say, Oba, a Jan and 9 goals, that's why in junction. Every part, and Senia, a D Ghana for Rambo, now, then to me qualify for AFCON, and Nunti, Omabamobu, Omochi, Omudiho, Araho. What a cosono into me and cosono. This is a new chapter. We put ourselves in a good place after beating Mali and Central Africa Republic. And we cannot afford to sleep. You need the support of Ghanaians to be able to win convincingly on Friday. Now for you, Chad Madagascar.
Okay. I feel no journey, and 104.5 Asempa 94.7. Yene Henry Asantitum and Edin Komo. Henry, yem free Black Stars no na yemra Afina Casa product, which is our league now. Yeah, and so on. I mean, I mean, this weekend, week 24, no, sign at us. But before, you have a show matches near the other crown, and now, I be told that say, instructor man, I league I able you almost so can't be no, almost say, almost withdraw, almost from the league. Any all football related activities. First of all, Krata and Mahu na Abamonim as FA.
Personally, no. Such letters will go to the General Secretary. He hasn't been in town since Monday. And run of the mini confirmation there in that regard. And so and take a decision in that regard into a holiday mean to mean can once and debris until the secretariat takes a decision, then I can fully communicate the position of the ESCO.
Okay, and the Casa said officially Henry Asante Juma Casa de Ma FA no untimi so secretary no officially aba FA Monaiso.
Me patcho dey.
Entim baden.
That's weird. Say what and now compliment name and I think the secretariat will take a decision. Me person me call ahead of the secretariat because first of all the association has a general secretary who is the CEO. BBC will inform me executive council. The council will take a decision. Now you communicated the position of the council. So that process is in Sabria Menoka in young court intino. Say a mina will be some answer.
No, na me be sounds because the enemy say this weekend week 24 no. Basakoli Stars at Nefi Abbo instructor man. Which instructor so the cat ababont is a league no movie. And then I'm so he said he taking it from a because of say they all catch him and say officially. Every no who Henry Asante Chuma only a Casa is here there. Untimi and confirm it and Cassa can't I be Sabamani?
No. Me, I'm a no Cassa, but it does not mean that Kratavia and call FO. Because I don't receive correspondence at the FA. It goes to the General Secretary. He informs ESCO. ESCO will call a meeting, which I am part. And Honor will take a decision. Then we communicate the position of the ESCO. This year, I can say no such decision has been taken. To me, Kamadrin or Brea board no and take a decision. In America, then person account once and baby.
Yeah, Minusa also on Beso Bekan once, but Mamim Busao tentative question. Sir, who read the letter now at Nam social media now, Mimi de Menia Hubina. And I'm saying Saudi and America, and I'm saying it in this particular way because even in Swaterman and Kasakasakrano, or more official handles on social media, emphasize letter no embeto. So, Mekwana, I am quite, he said, but Harry. Momrano ese se obi betimi a withdraw from the league a e wo se enipako no enya de brofum ye fe no just cause se ebe ya mpa se instructorman actually ten de abremu a na omu reason because of security ni omu safety as a club for more officials any omu players as they travel around and go around say omu bebo the rest of the matches would that define a just cause? Why I was say your mom quite a moment to feel legging
Ayala, me a sociologist or indeed, question I will be saying I am not in the position to give a definite answer because we are dealing with ifs, we are dealing with why and what. The ekobase, but see, I'm no say, sending American, me who the content. Or the details of the letter. Secretariat and take a decision via just cause can be explained in different forms. All based on their own and I would so a visa question. But if I have the opportunity to see a similar letter that has come to the FAR, I will be in a good place to respond appropriately. But since I am one-sided, difficult. Some year no. And it's a process. It's unfortunate. BBC Abba up and it came at the end of the week, which may not have given us enough room to maneuver. But I believe in the process, and I know, Secretariat will be making the right decision to protect the integrity of the game.
Okay, Harry Asante Yenasi na Enfansia.
The child of that.
I mean, and council area Asante Customer for at the Madagascar Football Association, and I know I could be and commence I now on our floor. And wrap up one.